Hey, I'm in a 2013 Nissan Rogue, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your display settings between English, Spanish, or French. So first, to make sure your vehicle's turned on, which this one currently is. And then from here, we're just going to click until we see settings. And press and hold. And then from here, you'll use this like a dial. So go down to language, push again. Right now it's in English. We'll see French. Say we want Spanish, we'll push. There we go. Now it's all in Spanish. Same process to change back. Idioma is language, so press. Back to English, press. And that's it. I hope that was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day. And I'll show again from the main screen. Yep, and then when you're done though, you just scroll back and push. Alright, have a great one.